Hello, the Lazy Makoti here, and today we're going to be making another South African favorite, the Lazy Hertzoggies. We're going to be using the puff pastry so you don't have to do all the work. We need to separate our eggs because we're going to be using our egg whites. So all you need is 2 egg whites, and you're just going to whisk this before we add in our custard sugar. Then we're just gonna whisk that in. We are gonna add about 2 cups of coconut, and then I'm just gonna flour my surface just so it doesn't stick. And then we're gonna use this cookie cutter to cut beautiful, nice rounds on our puff pastry. And then in goes my pastry. And last one, perfect. That's what it's gonna look like. And then you can use whatever jam you like. Today I'm using strawberry jam. This is gonna bubble up as it bakes. We're just gonna top this with our coconut topping that we made earlier. Remember, in here is the egg whites, the custard sugar, and the coconut. Guess who's ready for tasting? So there we go. Our babies are good. I'm just gonna take out a few. These look so beautiful.
So pretty. So crunchy.
Perfect.
So sweet. I can't burn it.
Me too.